Being a full-time creator is fun and challenging, but it's also easy to burn out and lose sight of why you started it all in the first place. After the busiest summer of my life, I decided to take a few weeks off, hang out with friends, and explore the city and nature around me. Spending 3 weeks at home helped me get re-energized, re-inspired, and I was ready to hit the road again. The question was where and with who.
I hope you don't expect this to be your typical vlog because this is my summer vlog.
Hello? Bro, summer is over. Pack your bags. It's time for a new adventure.
Привет, Роб. Я слышала, ты едешь в Таиланд. Пожалуйста, будь осторожен. И не делай никаких
Our first stop on our trip to Thailand happened to be the main city of Bangkok. Our goal was to eat some amazing local food, indulge in the culture, and get a better look at the city by visiting a few rooftops. The first place on our list was called Ghost Tower, a 50-story abandoned building in the heart of Bangkok. Not working out. After missing an incredible sunrise trying to get into the tower, we decided to cut our losses and head to another nearby rooftop. The second rooftop didn't last too long either, as we were left running away within 5 minutes. Since we had only one full day in the city, we decided to look at our list of priorities and give Ghost Tower one more attempt. This time around, I reached out to a few very talented local photographers, we set up a new squad, and made our way towards the building.
You wouldn't like it out there. It wouldn't protect you.
One of the most asked questions I get is concerning my camera gear and what I'm using, and one of my new favorite additions has been the Mavic 2 Pro. Its quality, ease of use, and battery life has easily made it my new favorite drone. Now I know everyone can't afford one, so I'm gonna go ahead and give one away to a lucky person watching this video. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe, and if you share this video on your Instagram stories, you'll get a second entry as well. What are you up to?
Just setting up the gear for the day.
You know we're gonna be on the water most of the day.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I just don't know if it's the smartest decision to bring it. Do you have like a water bag or something? Housing?
Give me a sec.
Is that a yes?
Give me a sec. Have any extra garbage bags? Like a garbage bag, like a bag, black one for garbage.
Have somebody lost and found, they have to send here and now don't have.
Oh no, just like a plastic bag for.
Plastic bag.
Yeah, a big one. Do you guys have more? These bags, garbage bag. Yeah. Ah yes.
One.
This one. Thank you.
Alright guys, we have our underwater housing. We've put on our sunscreen and we're ready to turn on the day. So if you guys remember last time I was here, we took out some kayaks, we went to a really cool beach. There were a bunch of monkeys and everything. Well, we're gonna do that whole thing once again, but this time, complimentary of breakfast, I grabbed some bananas. I don't think Keane is gonna see what's coming. Spread them out too, put a few in here. Okay, Keane. The first time I visited Thailand, I stopped by an amazing elephant sanctuary. This time around, I knew I had to make one more stop, and I wanted to share their story with you guys.
About a century ago, we had close to 100,000 Asian elephants roaming all over Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, India, and Indonesia. As of today, this population is down to only 30,000 Asian elephants, and 8,000 of them live in Thailand. Here at Phuket Elephant Sanctuary, our mission is to rescue these elephants, especially the older ones, the sick ones, and the injured ones who have worked decades in those kind of camps. And we provide them with a new home here in our 30-acre jungle at Phuket Elephant Sanctuary. When we rescue these elephants, we have to buy them. On average, rescuing a female elephant costs up to 1.5 million Thai baht. That translates easily into 30 to 35,000 US dollars. We are very fortunate to have many visitors who come here every day, and through their visits and the entry that they pay, we are able to rescue more elephants and to maintain the best possible standard of animal welfare here.
While traveling the world non-stop, I often get one chance and one opportunity to get the perfect shot. Many times, the situation doesn't go in my favor, and that's when I turn to Storyblocks. Storyblocks is an amazing site where I can find endless amounts of stock footage, After Effects templates, or motion backgrounds. When budget or time is a constraint, I turn to Storyblocks for grade A footage, amazing aerials of otherwise unattainable locations, perfect for setting the scene or helping tell the story in any video.
Can't get out of my head. Can't get out of my
With our trip coming to a close, we spent the last few days enjoying the amazing beauty of Thailand, soaking in the sun, and exploring the crystal blue waters. And with that, we started to plan our next trip.